Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create multiple email addresses without phone number. So let's get started. Creating multiple Gmail accounts without providing a phone number can be challenging as Google requires phone verification for each new account. But it is not impossible. So let's get started. Simply first go to the Google and type Google Cloud Skill Boost on your search address. Once you type it, search for it and tap on the Google Cloud Skill Boost shown on your screen. Then in the Google Cloud, you will have to log in or sign in using your Gmail account. Now continue with the Google. Now choose your Google email and continue with the process. Tap on the continue icon available down there. After that, clear the CAPTCHA and click on the icon or checkbox of I am not robot. And after clearing the CAPTCHA, continue with the process again. Here I'm clearing the CAPTCHA. Then I'm continuing. After this, all you have to do is tap on Explore option available there. After you tap on the Explore, you can see Format option available there in the left side. Now change the settings into Lab. Then after you change the settings into Lab, you'll see a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability option available there. Now tap on it and simply click on the Start Lab option available right next to the timer. After that, again tap on the I am not robot CAPTCHA option available. Now you can see the Google has provided you the username and password. Now in order to check that, let's go to the YouTube. Sign out your previous account. Then sign in to your new one. Here in sign in, copy and paste the username the Google has provided. After you copy and paste the username, continue with the next icon. Then enter the password. Again, the Google has provided it. Copy and paste it and go with the next option. Then that is it. You can see the Google has successfully provided you with a Google account without email or any phone number. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.